Hello, my name is Randia Fortunato, and I'm gonna talk about the schwa sound. Okay, the schwa is a short, mild, central, and natural vowel that appears only in an unstressed syllable. Articulation where produces is relaxed. The tongue stays in the center with any tension, no tension. The how, the how, as we can see in this picture, is open, and the lips are neutral. The soft palate is raised, and the sound is voice. The sound is voice. Another thing is the common problems that can be produced while producing these sounds is that we open too much the mouth, and also that we try to do a full vowel, and that's not correct. It's a common problem that we do. Another thing is that the schwa has many spelling forms. For example, for soda, about, ago. Another one could be a for problem, item. Okay. Other examples for these sounds are, for example, sofa, pizza, that is pronouncing the schwa sound at the end. Also, it can be produced at the beginning, like upon, about, again, and we can produce it at the middle, for example, soda, family, or supply. Yes, thank you so much for paying attention to my video.